Hey, this is Chuntianle. Today we have a discussion in our community about the guideline to clarify the policy. The policy on adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful content, sensitive event, drugs, and dishonest behavior. And I share with my community, and every time when I upload the video, I have to read. I have to answer the question. I have to read. And my friend asked me, where can he cannot find it? And I told him when I upload the video, every time I have to read. I have to answer those questions. But if I don't upload the video, I can't. Now I'm going to upload my video today. I would like to take this great opportunity to share how it works and what is the message and how it works. So let me show you. Come with me. This is my channel. Okay, this is me. And when you come here, I'm ready to upload a video. Here is reciting Mao Zedong's poem, 采桑子. Okay, and from here, I have to answer the question. Here, we updated our guideline to clarify our policy on adult content, violence, shocking content, hateful content, sensitive event, drug, and dishonest behavior. And here the system asks, does your video content, title, description, or keywords contain any of the following? Why it is important to rate your video, and you can check why. Here's a question mark. And here's the question. And when you hit the arrow, okay, let me hear. Hit the arrow, it will open. It can open. Here's the arrow, okay? It will open. It's open. It will tell you the level of the, what is the level? Moderate profanity, the strong profanity. So it's going to tell you what is the level when you rate your video. So the first one is inappropriate language, profanity in title, thumbnail, or use in the content. Okay, the next one is adult content, sexual behavior, language, or expression, including both real and here's something. Okay, I will not open it. The next one is violence, situations showing hurt, damage, or injury. The next one is shocking. It's shocking content, situations that may upset, disgust, or shock viewers. The next one is harmful acts and unreliable claim. So the situations that may endanger participants. Okay. The next one, recreational drug content. Content related to recreational use of drugs, enabling dishonest behavior. Okay, here. Enabling dishonest behavior, content glorifying or promoting dishonest behavior. The next one is harmful, derogatory content. So that's a hate, disparagement or harassment towards a group or individual. And after that, and you can rate your content. You can rate and then you submit. And every time when I upload the video, I'm going to do the same thing every time. So that is why when I talk to the community, when I talk to you, I prefer we follow the guideline, because that is important. If we want to keep a good reputation, if we want to keep, let me put the, if you want to have a good reputation, it's better to follow the rule, follow the guideline. It will not only help the society, but also is going to help yourself. Otherwise, your video or your content might be removed. Your reputation might be damaged. So, no pain, no gain. Work hard. I hope you have a bright future. If my message inspires you, don't forget to comment below. Subscribe, share, comment, and like, and to help this video reach more people and help more audience. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.